you. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumalakpak. Sobrang hina na mawalang gana. Sobrang saya ko po na na-invite ako ngayong araw na ito. Kung hindi po kayo masaya, problema niyo na. Dahil masaya kayo or malungkot kayo, bayad po ako. I'm very happy to be here. And I know what you're thinking. Hindi po ako itsurang speaker. Because a while ago, I was there fixing my laptop, and then one of the participants asked me, saan yung restroom? Pinatulad ko naman, sabi ko, halika po, dadalhin kita doon sa restroom mo. But this is live, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy and honored to be here. Maraming salamat, LPP!
Yes!
And I was invited a couple of weeks ago, or maybe days, I don't know. My assistant said, sir, you have an invitation from the Stanza Technique Philippines. I told her, Lufthansa, tanggapin mo. Baka may piece of air. Sabi, hindi po yun. Basta Lufthansa, tanggapin mo. Lahat ng appointment na tatapat sa event nila, i-cancel mo. Sir, sure kayo? Sure ako eh. Lufthansa yan eh. That's one of the best. One of the best. There are many of you. Sabi ng secretary ko, sir, wala po kayong ibang appointment, so puntahan nyo na ito, sayang. So I'm happy to be here, and I'm sorry, Elmer, for doing this in Tagalog because your budget is for Tagalog only. Huh? So if you want this to be in English, add more, alright? You can send it through GCash 0917. At I'm honored and very happy to be here. Sobrang excited ako makausap kayo ngayon. There should not be any pressure, by the way. Ako po yung klase ng speaker na ayaw din ng boredom katulad ninyo. When I was in college, I was sitting in one of the seminars, and believe me when I say na hindi ko rin enjoy karamihan ng mga seminars because ang nag-enjoy lang yung mismong speaker. Sobrang kamamatay ko yung pag-stay kasi nga nakaka-bored. So when I was in college, I promised myself that one day if I would become a motivational speaker, I'm never going to kill my audience through boredom. So ngayong araw na ito, wala pong uuwi na patay. So relax lamang po kayo. Hindi lang po kayo sa motivational speaker, I'm also a comedian. And bilang you are from LTP, I heard that you are all intelligent. I just heard it, I didn't say you are. You should think twice about it. If you are not, don't join. Okay? If you are not, don't join. So bilang assumption ko po, matatalino kayo yung mga jokes na inihanda ko pang matatalinong tao lang. So pag nag-joke ako at hindi kayo natawa, alam nyo na. Kaya pag kayo na table nyo tumawa, sundan nyo na. That's a suggestion. Easiest way. So palakpakan naman dyan, LTP! Palakpakan naman dyan. Palakpakan naman dyan. And by the way, hindi ako matatapos sa aking pananalita. I'm not going to finish my speech without giving away a free copy of my book. Don't be too happy about this. It's just a copy. Isang copy lamang po ito. Sino po ang pwedeng maghawak muna sa ganito?
Photocopy.
Pwede niyo pong ipa-photocopy. Huwag niyo namang sabihin sa akin, di ba? Kasi ako yung author eh. Rinig ko eh. Sige po. Ikaw na, or? It's not for you, but just hold it for me, alright? Just hold it for me. Good. So, I think we can start. Can we start?
Yes!
Okay, so dito lang muna ako. Kayo hindi. Dito lang muna ako sa ready. Are you ready? Yes! May lakas pa doon. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, ready or not? Yung pong mga tabi niyo yung pagkakaupo, yung seat ninyo, i-adjust nyo na. 1.5 hours tayo dito. Baka mamaya, nakaganyan na kayo lunchtime. So, please make sure. It will be fun, don't worry. I promise you, if it is not fun, money back guarantee, Mr. President CEO. Money back guarantee. Okay, good. Good. Gosh, mabubusan ako ng English ngayong araw na ito. A couple of years ago, I had an opportunity, Gia, to appear on Boy Abunda's TV show, The Bottom Line. Escape mo lang. Kasi introduction ulit yan. Gusto mo bang i-introduce ako ulit? Yung first line ni Boy Abunda,